Good morning students. I am Rajendra sir. Today is our next online class of class 9. Our subject information technology. I am going to learn limitations of a computer. You already know about computer and characteristics of a computer in our previous video class. Dear students, we know computer is a versatile electronic machine and it is integral part of our life. But computers is man-made things. So our computer face some problem. It is fascinated by our instruction. Okay guys, we will understand these things in limitation of a computer. Now come to the point. First of all, limitations of a computers. First limitation of our computer, incapability to think. A computers cannot think and take decision on its own. In case of any error, it cannot take an alternative action because computer is non-living things. Now, second limitations of our computer, no intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. It needs instruction at every steps. Now, third limitation of computer, dependence on power. A computer is an electronic machine and thus its depends on power make it costly. Dear students, without energy it is not possible to do work. So our computer is also need energy to do work. So our computer depends on power. Okay dears, now our fifth topics, computer system. A computer system can be considered as the combination of hardware and software which is process data to convert it into meaningful information. Computer system is formed by a set of three components. First, hardware. Dear students, hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer system. It includes all input device, processing device, storage device and output device. Hardware we can also define in another way, physical components of our computer system. Computers, those devices we can see and touch. I can define another way, the computer parts that we can see and touch is called hardware. Such examples, our monitors. Dear students, I can touch the monitors, I can touch the keyboard, I can touch the mouse, I can touch the printer, I can touch the joystick. So some of our device is hardware device. Okay guys, etc. Now other components of our computer system, software. Software is a set of programs which controls the internal operations of a computers and instructs a computers what to do. Software, we can also another way defines the computer's parts we can only see, we can't touch. These parts, these programs is computers called software. Examples, Windows 10, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Dear students, I can't touch Windows 10, I can't touch Microsoft Word, I can't touch Excel, I can't touch PowerPoint. So these types of parts of our computer systems called software. It is collection of programs. Okay, my dears. Now, third components of our computer systems, userware or liveware. The persons who operate computer is called liveware or userware. Dear students, computers को ऑपरेट करने वाले पर्सन को हम लोग यूजर के नाम से जानते हैं. दैट इज थर्ड कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. विदाउट पर्सन्स हाउ कैन एक्सेस कंप्यूटर्स? सो it needs a user to operate a computers. Okay guys, thank you.